Alright guys, I just got a new DPF. I'm gonna be putting it together and showing you guys the steps. That's the DPF, that's the new one. Brand new. This is the outlet. That's the top. First we're gonna put this gasket here. Like so, bam. Then we're gonna put this DPF right there on the outlet. Like so. See, this is gonna go right here. Bam, just like that. Now we're gonna put this gasket right here on the dock. And then we're gonna put the whole DPF and outlet on the dock. Beautiful. That's it. Got it all lined up. Now we just gotta line up the sensors. That's it, just line these up. Now we're just gonna put the clamps on and call it a day.